Stop using basic English. Speak naturally like a native. Let's go. Instead of saying hello, say what's up. Say I appreciate it instead of thank you. Use well done instead of good job. Try never better instead of I'm fine. Say sleep tight instead of good night. Use awesome instead of very good. Instead of I don't know, say beats me. Say chill out instead of relax. Pardon is a more polite way to say excuse me. Say it's chilly instead of it's cold. Try I'm exhausted instead of I'm very tired. Use have a seat instead of sit down. Say may I assist you instead of can I help you. Use I'm in the dark when you don't understand something. Say let's catch up today instead of let's meet today. Speak naturally and sound fluent. Comment your favorite phrase. Like, share and follow for more.